Now I'll be explaining you the working of a person counter. The main aim of this project is to count the number of person entering or leaving a room or maybe a vehicle like bus or metro. So some of the basic components of this project are: this is a laser diode, an LDR sensor, Arduino board, some of the jumper wires, and a 9-volt battery. So the basic layout of this project, I'll be showing the circuit diagram. So as you can see from this schematic diagram, the laser diode will be sending the laser on the LDR, upon which the resistance will fall, and a signal will be sent to the Arduino board, upon which you can increment the counter or you can decrement the counter. Now as you can see, 7805 IC is used here. The main purpose of this IC is to convert the plus 9 volt into plus 5 volt. With the LDR, a 10 kilo ohm resistor is used so that the LDR does not receive excess energy and blow out. Here is the list of the basic components: laser diode of 635 nanometer, 2 LDRs, 2 10 kilo ohm resistors, one 7805 voltage regulator IC, Arduino board, heat shrinking tube, and 9-volt battery. Now from this circuit you can see that all the connections have been made. The LDR have been connected to the resistors and then has been fed to A0 and A1 of the Arduino Uno board, which is an analog connection. There has been given 5 volt and a ground connection to the LDRs too. At the laser diode we have connected the positive end and the negative end to the battery. Now we will be making the connections. Let's come to the coding part now. For the code, we'll firstly define two sensors, that is sensor A and sensor B. Then we'll define a counter and set its initial value to 0. Now the pins of the sensors are defined, that is A0 analog read and A1 analog read. The threshold value can change depending upon the type of laser diode you are using. So in case of mine it is 500. You can change accordingly. Now if condition defines that if the value of sensor A is less than threshold or sensor B is greater than threshold, then the counter will increase by 1. That is, if this is the first laser diode, if the first laser diode circuit breaks, then the counter will increase by 1. That is, the person is entering the room. And if the laser diode 2 breaks, that means the person is leaving the room. So accordingly the total number of people can be counted in a particular area. And the rest is just to display the code on the serial monitor. Now we'll make the connection and see how it goes. Okay, so the connections have been made, and as you can see, the laser diodes are working properly. Make sure that the laser directly fall on the LDR. As you can see from the video, the LDR is directly falling on the diodes. So we'll now upload the code, connect the Arduino board to your computer, and upload the code. I am using an IDE environment for Arduino Uno board. Now the code has been successfully uploaded. Now we'll open the serial monitor. Now as you can see, the values on the screen. Sensor A picks a value, sensor B picks a value, and the counter is 0 because we haven't break any of the circuits, the sensor A or sensor B. Now the threshold value that I have indicated here is 500, as I have mentioned earlier. Now I'll break the circuit once, that is, I'll break the first laser diode by interrupting its signal. Okay, so I have interrupted the signal, and let's see what changes we get on the screen. Okay, so the person counter is increased by 1, that is, a person has entered the room. Okay, so if we do it again, the person counter is increased by another value, so the total count is now 2. Similarly, if the person leaves the room, so the second circuit will break first, and the counter will decrease by 1. So you can see, as you can see on the screen, the counter is decreased by 1. The project is a simple one, but it can be of great use. Okay, so I hope you are clear about the project. Thank you for it.